What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this veggie-packed and flavorful bolognese sauce. To kick this off, you will need some olive oil, minced garlic, and shallots. Cook on medium-high heat until your shallots are translucent. Next, we're adding some carrots, celery, and mushroom. Mix it around and cook for about 5 minutes. Next, we're adding in our spices. I'm using parsley, rosemary, crushed red pepper flakes, oregano, salt, and garlic salt. Mix the spices in and cook until your veggies become soft. Next, we're adding in tomato paste and red wine. I totally overdid it on the wine. You only need a little bit, like about 1/3 of a cup. Mix this together until it's a paste-like consistency and add in your lentils. I'm using 1 cup of lentils. Next, I'm adding 3 cups of vegetable broth. Mix it in slowly so your paste dissolves into the broth. Once your sauce begins to boil, reduce the heat and cover your pot with a lid. I'm adding in some lemon juice for acidity and flavor and then covering it again until your lentils and veggies absorb all of the liquid. And you're done. I serve this with zucchini noodles or pasta, and I always top it with nutritional yeast. This is so rich in flavor and packed with tons of veggies to keep you full and energized all day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more yummy recipes coming soon.